Okay, so now we have another question, okay? And this question is now asking us to find the coordinate, or rather the point, okay? The points on the curve where the gradient function equals to 12. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is first differentiate that, okay? So the y, first of all, we copy. So y equals to So the first thing is we copy this, and then after that we can now differentiate. So this is 3x squared minus 6x minus 12. So now we have actually gotten our differential equation. Now from there, what do? So where there is a dy dx, you replace it with 12, okay? So 12 equals to 3x squared. Now, this actually comes out as a quadratic equation. So we just have to rearrange the terms so that we can make it standard. So 3x squared minus 6x minus 12 and okay. So now after we do that, then this is 3x squared minus 6x minus 24 equals 0. Then we can find the factors, okay? So the factors by saying this is 3 times that, okay? So we're going to find the factor, first of all, the product is 3 times negative 24. And then other numbers that can give us, this is 12, this is 72, negative 72. And then we are going also to have another factors. So after that, we have to look at other numbers that can also give us 72. So if we try maybe also 6 times negative 12, we'll be able to get 6 times 12, that is 12 to 6, also get that. So the factors are 6 and negative 12, so we use these and then replace them. So this is going to be 3x squared plus 6x minus 12x minus 24 equals 0. And then from there, you now group 3x squared plus 6x and then negative 12x minus negative 12x and then also that. Now, once you group now this, then you can now factorize. So 3x is common, x, then plus 2, then this negative 12 is common, and then x, then negative 12 into that plus 2 equals to 0. Okay. So now at this stage, we know how to go about quadratic factorization. So you can check out my other videos about quadratic factorization. So now, what you can do now is so what you have now is just to rearrange them. So we have 3. So 3x minus 12, okay? And then also this one inside, x plus 2 equals to 0, okay? And then from there, we can now say 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Then we solve for x. So we can just say 3x equals to 12. And then x equals to both sides by 3. So this will give us 3. So our x is just 4. Then or also this one, x plus 2 equals to 0, and then our x, take the 2 to the other side, minus 2. So we have x equals to 4 and x equals to negative 2. And then now from there, what you do now is you now substitute each of these into back into the equation. So what you're going to have is now y equals to x to the power 3 minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 7. And when x is 4, so this is this, and then okay. When you actually evaluate that one, what you're going to get actually is you're going to get everything will actually evaluate to negative 25, okay? And then also you do the same with x is negative 2, so y is negative 2 to the power 3 minus 3, negative 2 to the power 2 minus 12, negative 2 plus 7. So once you actually work out that, you are going to get what is just 11, okay? Then from there, what you have in particular now is that, therefore, the points are going to be negative 2, negative 2, 11, okay? And then the other one is 4, negative 25. So these are the points that they want you to come up with. So this is how you can go about answering this question. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, as well as share this video. It's bye-bye, and this is a Wadko Academy.